Welcome back to this free course teaching you how you can use a newsletter or start a newsletter business from scratch, and in 30 days get yourself to the point where you are making profits. It doesn't matter if you already have a website, you want to add on a newsletter, or whether you just want to go for a newsletter as your business model because you don't want to get involved in Google rankings, SEO, you don't want to worry about domains, hosting, building a website, any of that. This video training is here in order to help you out. Now you can see here we're in day 3. We're going to be talking about how we are going to get paid. We've already covered day 2, which is if you can actually make money, and day 1, picking the niche. If you want to check out those first 2 videos, then there'll be a link at the end of this video, and you can check that out in the description as well. You'll be able to find a link to the playlist with all of these videos. We're chunking this down into manageable sizes so that you can make sure that you have got all the information you need. We also have some additional information on our website. All you've got to do is check out the link to that in the description as well. So there are 3 methods we're going to be talking about today of how you can get paid. So you've already identified your niche, a few areas within your niche that you are interested in. We did that, as I said, in day 1, and now you've actually made sure you can actually make money, and we talked about the 3 different things here that you can go through. Check out video 2 if you want to hear more about those. But what we're going to do today is really drill down and talk about how are we going to get paid. And there are 4 methods here that I'm going to mention. So you picked your niche, you've got some ideas around a sub niche or a way that you're actually going to go with your newsletter business. Now we want to actually, while we're doing the research, pay attention to monetization and actually making some money. So the first method I'm going to be talking about is becoming an affiliate. Becoming an affiliate is super easy. It is one of the best ways to start making money online. For those of you who don't know what an affiliate is, very simply, all you're going to do is find people that have other products online and you are going to promote their products. It really is that simple. This could be big brands. It could be products on Amazon, for example. It could be companies that have software that relates to your niche. It could be services like a booking services or a gym membership. Anything like that that links into your niche, you can become an affiliate. You normally make a percentage. That's how you're going to earn money with this. So you'll make a percentage of the sales. A good affiliate software service is going to be between 20 to 30%. That's what a great percentage. And you also want to check if it is recurring as well, because a lot of these affiliate websites will allow you to make money month after month, and obviously that's going to bring you in a lot more over time than if you're just going for a once-off. So for example, on this channel here, we will become an affiliate of a piece of software. We'll review it on the channel, tell you whether it's good or not. We'll point you down to a link in the description. That's normally an affiliate link. If you buy through that affiliate link, you often get the best deal, or you'll get access to the same deal that everyone else has on the website. But as a thank you, we get a small part of that sale. You don't pay any more, but we will get a small payment from that. Sometimes it's just a one-off, sometimes it is recurring. But it's a great business model for anyone to use in order to start making money, and even big businesses, big newsletters make money through affiliate commissions. The next one is sponsorships and promotions. Now, sponsorships and promotions, it's going to take a little bit more work up front, but essentially what you're going to do is you're going to reach out to businesses. You're going to say, hey, I've got this newsletter. It's in the niche that you're in. I would love to get you into my newsletter for X amount. I will promote your service, product, whatever it is, or you can work with me on a promotion. So it might be that they have some kind of offer that they want to promote, and you use your newsletter to advertise that to people that are interested, who are within the same niche. One big tip I have for you is don't wait on this. A lot of people think that you need to have 1,000 or 5,000 people on your list in order to start with sponsorships and promotions. You really don't. You can be small, just a few hundred, and you can start making money. It may not be as much, but as soon as you're monetizing your newsletter, you're starting to make a little bit of money. You can then start to look into investing that money into growing faster. So it's definitely something I would recommend starting sooner rather than later. And not only that, it's also the fact that you're starting a conversation. So if you start talking to these brands and these companies now, and even if they say, hey, at the moment you're too small, you can then go back to them and say, not a problem. When would you like me to reach out again? And you can just keep talking to them about their product or service so that you are somebody they know. You're not cold. They know who you are. They know what you're doing. They've heard of your newsletter. They know that you understand the niche really well because you've been having emails, you know, every few weeks back and forth, just checking in. Hey, I love this. Have you seen that? Those kind of things. It's a really, really great way of making good money. And in the next video, we're going to go into this one in more detail because, like I said, everybody should be exploring it from the beginning. The next thing that we can do is we can start talking about memberships. Now, the way that we get involved with memberships is quite easy. What you do is you have your free newsletter, and then that's the one that everyone gets to initially. And then what you offer as well is you offer a paid membership or a paid newsletter. This might have industry insights, it might have additional training, it might have extra information that you want to share, but because it is maybe information given out earlier than the public newsletter. So for example, your newsletter might go out on a Wednesday, but if they are on the membership and they're paying, they got early access and to that information on a Monday, so they can make moves earlier. This might work if you're in something like crypto or something in sort of finance, maybe stocks, where you want where it's beneficial to have that information a little bit earlier. So NFT launches, things like that. So memberships is another way that you can monetize. And then the last thing is selling your own products and services. So if you already have a business, you already have a website, maybe you have some products or services out there already. It could be ebooks, you know, digital products, could be physical products. Then that's what you could be selling. Now, this is the one that's going to probably make you the most money. And the reason for that is that you can keep most of the revenue for yourself. You're going to keep a higher percentage of that money, but it's also the hardest one to set up. So that's why I've left it till last, because it's normally the one that people explore last of all. Because if you're going to set up a course or get your own product or service set up, it's going to take time and effort in order to do that. So while you're going through your niche, while you're picking out the different ways that you could make money, you want to make sure that you've got these 4 things in your mind, so that you can ensure that you are thinking about how to make money the whole time. You don't want to leave this till the last minute and realize actually there was a better option out there for you. So now that we've covered these, what we're going to be doing next is talking about which audience is going to make you the most money. Because yes, there's different methods of making money, but you also need to think about who is reading your newsletter, because you want people that have got money to spend reading your newsletter, because they're the people that are going to buy from you. So it's not just the method of making money, but it's who you're talking to as well. That's going to be the next video. If you want to check that out, you can go ahead and do that now. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one.